All right, teeny beanie.
Hold on.
Oh, it's gonna die now.
Okay.
The gas on?
No.
Why'd you die?
My rope. Get off the... it's been running weird like that. Well, I just didn't want you to turn the...
Hello? Maybe turn the choke back on.
Yeah, get that choke. Flip that lever up. Don't you have to have it up?
Isn't that the choke off?
Choke's off now.
Yeah, the choke's off now and it's running. That's good. It was smoking really bad. Watch.
Yeah, but it was smoking before. It was smoking before you turned it off. Miss, what it did is when you ran it out of gas, it was still pumping oil, but there was no gas left.
Well, it's running with it off, so... Okay, watch out. Okay. Don't do the throttle because you'll go. Okay, it's all you. Give it a little bit of gas. Come on. Give it a little more.
Uh-oh.
It's the bike, baby. But you can give it a little gas to go.
Oh my God. You got something to start with. There you go.
Give it a little gas. Give it gas.
Put the choke back on.
Wow. You don't do it like that. You take off. Okay, here we go. Okay, give it gas.
Oh my God.
3 years old.
Come here. Turn around and go back. Okay, go slow. Slow down. Okay, turn around. Give a little more gas. Give more gas. Turn. Go slow. Come on. Yeah, come on. Okay, you go back to see Mama. Run. Go slow. Turn it. Turn it. There you go. Give him gas. Give him more.
Help him.
Okay, go. Give him some gas. There you go. Go. There you go. Good boy.
Isn't that awesome?
Oh, that is so freaking cool.
He's starting to get the idea.
Yep. You could get some cans or cones or something, put out on the road and let him learn to go in and out of them and learn how to steer right.
He's hell on wheels on a bicycle. Hey that baby, motorcycle boy.
Go ahead, come on, I'll help you.
Woohoo!
You don't want to go back? You done? Okay, turn the switch off. Push it up.
Other way.
One more. There you
Good
go.
job, motorcycle rider. Woo!
That's awesome. Oh,
Uh-oh.
that's still okay though.
First crash.
Hey. Right on. Here, put
Good
the stand
job,
down.
teeny boy.
Put your stand down.
Good job,
Right
teeny
there by
boy.
the back. Okay, push down on it. Push down and hold it.
Step down on it. Push it
Other
to
foot.
the ground. No, push it to the ground with your foot.
Other foot.
There you go.
Hold it down.
Watch.
You do it.
I'll show you what Papa's trying to say. You hold it down, and then you... Oh!
Good job, that
yeah.
boy. Good job.
Your mama
Oh,
was sick. She was
yeah.
thinking that he was going to get hurt.
That boy's
You know?
good motorcycle rider.
Wanna take your helmet
Woohoo!
No? You know what? You know
Yeah.
what we say.
Better take it off.
Now
If
you
you
got
start go racing, you get new motorcycle boots.
now you got to find his gloves so he can wear gloves too, so he don't hurt his hands.
Mom, I want tiny motorcycle boots.
I seen those motorcycle boots at that store.
What store?
At the pawn shop.
Good job, teeny
You said they were a little
boy.
bit too big for him.
A little
Teeny
bit.
Bean, how old are you? 3.
Left-handed.
Huh.
Unreal.
Good job.
Oh.
No, pick that up, take it in the house.